bitches be like, I'm a hillbilly and I can twerk.
Okay, for all you white girls out there who don't know how to twerk, this is how you twerk. You just ready to go down. No. Yeah, I just called you because, you know, I think I just saw something in the bush. Wait, hey girl, what's up? Hold up. I'm walking home right now. Yeah, I'm walking home. It's all good, right? 39 seconds away, but I'm almost 30 seconds away. So it'll make it good, right? Good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's good. It's good. At least I'm saying it's like 2 a.m. in the... What time is it? Damn, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning or something like that. Like, woo! I gotta watch out for, you know, these crazy people trying to kill me around here, guys. Because, you know, like, somebody got their body dismembered a couple days ago. Like, I have to... Yeah, the body parts. Yeah, the body parts. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's not crazy. I gotta watch the heck. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Oh my god, it's 4 o'clock. I gotta take my boo. How long is it gonna take for him to reply? Stupid. Somebody cheating on me. Fuck it, go check this motherfucker out. Girl, no. Hello? What is taking you so long to text me back? I don't give two doggy poops. You've been texting me since like 10 o'clock in the morning and like I've been waiting for you and it's already 4 o'clock in the morning and understand that like I need you to text me at a certain time. You don't text me? That is really annoying. Hello? Voicemail. Oops, already sent it. What? He wants a new? Oh, hey, actually, what? You know, YOLO. Woo! Oh, girl! Who is getting hot in here? Oh, wrong one. Gotta get this makeup up with my 360 Go Clean. You was calling me, so that's why I said, oh girl. I know, I am psychic and optimistic. Oh my god, what kind of question is that? Is you serious? You wanna know how many friends I got? Well, there's you. Yeah, that's 3 people. I don't even talk to the other 2. They just there on my phone, but I don't even text them. And then there's a couple guys, but like, I think they're like 50. Girl, listen, you don't even understand. Girl, I'm sitting here with no makeup on, no man, and nobody. Girl, that's why I feel a little bit depressed lately. I've been feeling a lot of depression lately. I think I've been going through a lot of feelings and stuff like that. So, what? Girl, is it serious? What kind of question is that? Yeah, I broke up with him. I broke up with his ass. I dumped him, okay? I dumped that motherfucking asshole. Like, I dumped him. I was like, bye, bitch. He was, I didn't want to duck ass anyway. Let me look at him. Yeah, he did not look good at all. Listen, if he looked good, I would have been like crying and everything, but I was not even crying. I was crying, but like still. I was crying, but he was pretty broke anyways. Like, he couldn't pay for his child support. He had like 2 other baby mamas. Like, yeah. And plus his, you know, no was pretty small. Girl. Oh, I'm just reading the newspaper. You know? Girl. You know, a couple days ago, somebody got stabbed. Girl, It's not funny. Why the hell are you laughing? Tell me why the hell you're laughing. Why the hell? I could have been somebody's kid. Okay, I know everybody comes from the JJ, but like, he could have been somebody's kid. Somebody's son, somebody's sister, somebody's wife, somebody's somebody. Anyways, about the ex-boyfriend, well, I said, hey, you know, I wrote him a letter. I was like, hey, you know, like, I care for you and all that, but like, bye, bitch. Texted him. I wrote a letter. Look, that's for like 16,000, 100. Sorry, hold on a second. Ooh, damn, guys be thirsty trying to text me, get my nudes. Hold on a second. Okay, I just had to send this one guy, a message. It took like 2 seconds, though. Hold on, let me send it. Okay, send it. Girl, you have no idea. Oh my god, my mom is calling. Hey boo, how you doing? My girlfriend, she thinks she knows knows everything. She's so stupid. I told her dump your ass, but you know, it turns out she believes me. She's a gullible bitch. Yeah, she's gullible. And you know, I was like, damn, you look like a duck and shit. She was like,